In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default search engine in your Chrome browser from Google to DuckDuckGo. Now, as you can see here, Google is our default search engine in this Chrome browser. To change it, simply click on the three dots on the right corner and then head down to Settings and click on it. From Settings, head to the list on your right and look for Search Engine option. Click on it. And as you can see here, Google is our default browser, and you can see DuckDuckGo is here. Select it and then click on Set as Default. Now, if you go open a new browser, as you can see now, DuckDuckGo is our new default browser, and whenever we do any search, we shall search using DuckDuckGo search engine and not Google. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.